Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. On a weekly time frame chart, Dogelon Mars has broken out a quite big falling wedge pattern, and after that, imminently, it also broke out another up channel as well. You can see when it was moving inside this quite big wedge. At that time, we found the support and resistance of this up channel. We got rejection here, we had a bounce here, two more touch points here, got two more rejections here, one more rejection here, we had another bounce here, and finally, we have broken out the resistance of this big up channel so far. From this low of August 2023 up till this high, it has rallied more than 313%. And now it is struggling to break out this quite long-term resistance of 0.00000385 that had been previously breaking at the resistance here. And for several weeks, it had been breaking at the resistance here as well. At the same time, Dogelon Mars is also trying to break out this quite long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see that we have crossed up this lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and right now this is the second week that it is trying to break out this upper bands of the Ichimoku bearish cloud. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like there's a trade setup for CHR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal on 19th of Feb 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Dogelon Mars, and this is the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that previously it was moving inside this quite big and long-term falling wedge pattern. We found the resistance here in the month of October 2021, and we found the support in the month of June 2022. Therefore, it was a multi-year space resistance that recently Dogelon Mars has broken out, and while moving inside this wedge, it also formed this up channel, and you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, imminently it has also broken out this up channel as well. And at the same time, we have also broken out this quite long-term resistance of 0.000000 when 0.000000 6 times 0 to $5. And previously, this level has been breaking as a very long-term support here, and now it was breaking as a resistance. Therefore, once again, it can work as a long-term support if the price and will be moved down there. And this previous resistance of this channel, that is an uptrend line resistance that can now work as an uptrend line support for the price line as well. At the same time, you can see that the price line has crossed up this lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now it is trying to break out this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and slightly above this resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, we also have this quite long-term resistance of $0.00003850. This Ichimoku bearish cloud is finally turned into bullish cloud. You can see it was very, very strong bearish, and now it is flipped into a bullish cloud. That is a very nice and bullish gesture on this 7 days time frame chart. And once the price and will be able to break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud, then after the breakout, this bullish cloud will be breaking as a very strong and long-term support for the price line. Now, if we take a look at the technical targets for these two breakouts from this up channel and from this wedge, then technical target for the breakout from this up channel is here. That is approximately at 4659. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of this wedge. That is at .0000 and 0, 5 times 0, $2276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.